Why Caribbean men cook so well? Let me speak for the Jamaicans. We have this tradition called runabout. It's more than just cooking. It's a shared meal built from whatever everyone can offer. One person might bring rice, another brings butter, someone else brings seasoning, and if you're really broke, you bring the matches. It comes from old yard culture, where nobody had much on their own, but together they could make plenty. As times went on, it moved on to construction sites where work crews would chip in to cook lunch. To this day, one of the best meals I've ever had came from a job site. Just flour dumplings and tinned mackerel bubbling over an open wood fire. The flames hugged the pot with its smoky love you can't recreate on any stove. It was simple, but it tasted like comfort, like belonging. The tradition kept passing down to young, mischievous boys like us, sneaking whatever we could from our mother's kitchen or chicken coop just to try and make a meal on our own. Somehow, with little guidance and even less supervision, the food always came out amazing. That's how we learned. Trial, error, and a whole lot of mischief. I remember the first time I ran a boat. I was around 12. Away at boarding school, a few of us boys decided that on our trip home, we'd smuggle back corned beef, flour, spices, a lighter, whatever we could hide from our parents, and especially the teachers. The older boys talked about this corned beef soup they used to make, and we wanted our turn. One Saturday, about 8 of us snuck deep into the woods to cook. I remember one friend picking up a stick shaped like a pistol, announcing he'd found a musket. He went on lookout duty, ready to warn us if teachers got too close to our secret kitchen. The meal itself wasn't that great. I can't pretend it was, but it was the beginning. Cooking over wood fires, burning the pot, laughing, panicking, starting over, that's how we learned flavor. There's no high, low, or simmer setting on sticks and flames. You learn to control the fire, or the fire controls you. And maybe that's why today, when people ask the question, why Caribbean men cook so well, I always smile, because it never started in a kitchen. It started around a shared pot, with borrowed ingredients, wood smoke in our clothes, and friends who became family through food. And every time I cook now, a little piece of that old tradition finds its way back into the pot, which brings me right back to the beginning.